Well, Christy, I think it's getting a little more fun.
Maybe.
Johnny came over last night for his first night's stay at our new property.
Yeah, and he got to actually sleep in the garage when none of our vehicles are in the garage.
Yeah, there was just enough room to squeeze him in there, and I didn't want to go out to the barn last night. We got in late. So we're taking him back this afternoon and to pick up some more items. There's not a lot of daylight this time of year. You know, these short days didn't come at a very good time for us, did they?
No, they didn't. If this were spring, you would be out tilling or doing something with Johnny, and you would not want to be moving stuff from our house and opening boxes. So it's probably the best time of year for a move.
Yeah, that's a good plan. I wonder if I could find a Johnny project to work on. Although it's pretty cold. I don't know, this is difficult.
Yeah.
Anything to keep from moving boxes. Hey, a lot of you commented on all the Chick-fil-A fries that we've been eating. Yeah, it's been hard to eat all those fries, enough to have moving boxes.
I used to work for Chick-fil-A, and the fry boxes make great moving boxes because they have thick walls.
Yeah, they're the double thick ones. They're really nice boxes, and the folks at Chick-fil-A are really nice about saving them. Unfortunately, someone else, I think, was moving at the same time, and so...
I think so.
On the last couple of days, we had trouble getting boxes.
So we're back at the old house that we've moved out of with Johnny to get some of his attachments. I think Tim's gonna like not having to back into this driveway all the time.
Well, we won't have to be doing that backup very many more times.
I just said I bet you're gonna enjoy not having to back up the driveway.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's kind of a challenge. In the daytime, it's not bad at all, I can see, but when it's pitch dark, I have trouble with that backup. It's only been a day or two, Christy, and I come over here and I say, wow, these houses are close together.
Yeah.
It's amazing how quickly your mindset changes. Yeah.
At least the ground is frozen, so you can get Johnny out.
I think I've shown you our sideboards, right?
No furnace here or over there? Gas? Oh, you're stuck here. There you go.
Good enough. Good enough. Frozen. Got some frozen mud right there in the middle. Now it is really slick over here.
Yeah.
I have just about fallen several times.
Me too.
Woo!
The camera.
Yeah.
Now, are you in?
No.
Boy, it's
Now I am.
okay.
Down? You got your other pockets?
That's okay. Go down. Make sure you're okay. There we go. Mud right there. It's all frozen, so we can't do anything about it. These are just 1x12s. I kind of wish I had a little bit taller ones, but I wanted to make sure that I could carry them by myself because Christy's not always here. Now I used 1x2s to make this connection here. You don't have to do that now. Now they just make simple angle iron that would have made this a lot easier. But this is the way my grandfather built them back in the day, and so that's how I remembered, so that's how I did it. Why not? And then we just use a chain here to pull these together. I like that they're removable. I kind of wish I'd have got some steel sides, just some thin steel sides. Not something that will just handle rock or heavy stuff, but just some lightweight, thin steel sides, maybe about this tall. I think I could have hauled a lot more rubbish and things like that. Dirt, rock, I don't want to haul that much. This trailer's only a 10K trailer, and if it gets loaded really heavy in the front, it has a little trouble dumping. Still, I love this trailer. It's a great compromise for a 1025R. You can get a trailer like this at dktrailers.com and tell him that you want the Tractor Time with Tim model. He'll know exactly what you're talking about because he custom built this just for us.
Tim's gonna start bringing around some stuff to take over to the new pole barn. Oh, it looks like he brought around the stump blaster. And I think we're gonna take home the leaf collector, the material collection system.
I think we'll just take the sideboards off and do those in another trip.
Okay.
It's not obvious here, and apparently we didn't get all the video of our discussion here, but we couldn't fit the material collection system in the width of the trailer when the sideboards were on. Okay, this thing will need some good tie downs, Christy. That is not in very good shape now. But other than that, I think we'll be all right. I hate it we had to take the sideboards off. We showed you putting them on and everything, but sometimes it doesn't work out like you plan it. Now, I special ordered this trailer only 6 feet wide here, 72 inches. I liked it narrower because it was easier to deal with, easier for handling in traffic. But most trailers are wider, and as I've got larger equipment and more equipment, this has proven to be kind of a limitation. Still, if I was only going with the 1025R, I'd probably get that. Hey, it's cold out here. We're not going to take a lot of time talking about how we're going to tie this down. Suffice it to say, we are going to tie this down very well. We've got extra straps for this because it's kind of loose as it is. We have an extensive video on trailer tie downs. It's in our Truck and Trailer Tuesday series. Go check that out. I think you'll find that interesting. Too cold for us to talk about it today. We'll get back to you later. Well, here we are. Christy, our daylight is short.
Yes.
I mean, it's hard to get anything done when I don't get up till 10 o'clock. No, I do get up before 10 o'clock, but I do admit I kind of loaf a little bit on Saturday morning. But it's hard to get anything done when the sun goes down so early.
Yep.
These short days. Well, enough complaining. Here's the key, and I've got to take Johnny to the barn or the shed. We got to figure out what to call it.
I need to go get the door open for him.
Chick-fil-A combo. This video is not sponsored by Chick-fil-A, but go get a Chick-fil-A sandwich anyway.
Well, we're getting the equipment to its new home.
Yep. This is the first time Johnny's been in the barn.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think he'll like it there. He
I do
has
too.
more room to play.
More space.
Yeah. You have more room to turn around.
I could turn him around in the other shed, but only when everything else was out.
Right, exactly.
Hey, we appreciate you guys coming along today, watching us move a little bit of stuff. Not a whole lot of stuff, but a little bit.
Maybe they weren't as cold as I was.
Yeah.
Because they're probably sitting at home in their recliner or on their couch and nice and warm and toasty.
Where you're going to be in a few minutes.
Probably.
Maybe not too toasty yet until we get a furnace.
Right, but we do have heaters. We have those little oil space heaters going, so it's not too bad in there.
Right.
And we're working on picking out the right unit for us, the right equipment.
Yeah, we've got a really, just a quality heating guy. He's really helping us work through the geothermal versus hybrid heat pump issues.
Hey, and thanks for your comments. And so continue to leave them.
If you have experience with geothermal or
A hybrid heat pump,
yeah,
let us know.
yeah, we just want to hear.
Pros, cons.
Yeah, those are the two we're considering right now. By the time you watch this, will have made the decision, but well,
Maybe
maybe
not.
not.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.
Okay, he's going to back the trailer in the shed. Something we couldn't do before at the other house. Trailer always had to sit outside. Nice to be able to get it inside.
Obviously, this is not the optimal parking yet.
I made him do it quickly because I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. That's another thing that makes our days short. We have to eat every 2 hours.
It's been more than 2 hours.
Oh, okay.
It's been 3 at least.
I like it. It's been more than 3.
Yeah, I know.